Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday. I'm ready to go into this. I already did my morning route, but I'm getting ready to go into this grocery store. I think I want to make some Parmesan chicken. So I gotta get some of the items out the grocery store to make that with. I don't even know what I'm gonna cook with it. Parmesan chicken. Maybe I should cook some pasta with it. And a salad. Even though I know Damon ain't gonna eat salad. What do I want to fix with it? Ooh. Maybe I'll do some of those potatoes. Maybe I'll grab some potatoes. I don't even know the name of them. But the potatoes, you cut them. You cut them in little strips. So, well, not really strips, but you get a whole potato and then you cut them and then you put butter in between and you put on there like some sea salt, and you can actually put herbs or cheese or whatever it is that you want in it. I might fix that. And I need something else. Broccoli. Maybe we have broccoli at home. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna kind of, when I get home, I'm gonna prep it so when I get off work, I don't have that much work to do. One good part about it is my chicken, even though my chicken is frozen, but the chicken is already seasoned. The only thing I have to do is let it marinate inside of the ranch dressing. Yeah. I feel like I need to make a grocery list, because I know I go in here and completely forget everything that I'm supposed to get. Okay, so I'm gonna get I need some panko bread crumbs. Okay, we're gonna get some potatoes, ranch dressing. Yes, I'm left-handed. Let me lock my doors, because I never forget. I was sitting here one day doing, so I probably was doing like scratch offs or something, and some chick just walked up. It's a lot of homeless people that hang at this grocery store. I'm not sure why, but they do. But this girl, she came up. I didn't even see her coming up. She walked up, scared the shit out of me. So now when I come over here and I know I'm just sitting around, I always lock my doors, because nope. It almost happened twice, but the second time I actually seen the girl walking up. It was a different chick. Okay, I think this is it. This is all I'm gonna get. The breadcrumbs, the potatoes, the ranch dressing, the Parmesan cheese, the mozzarella cheese. Yeah, I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. So, let's go. Okay, we're gonna go into Dilbert's. Man, that Bob's chicken be smelling so good. Okay, let's get a cart. Ranch dressing, the panko breadcrumbs, potatoes. Let's see if they got that new beer. Okay, now I've been on a hunt for that new beer. It's a Stella Midnight beer, but it don't look like they have it. I don't know. These on sale. Not my brand, but they on sale. I usually get Ziploc, but Ziploc is $6.30, and these are 3. for 25-gallon bags. So we're gonna go with this. Now let's go get the cheese and let's be out here. Actually supposed to be having lunch with Damon today. I think the lunch starts at, excuse me, I'm sorry. The lunch starts at 11:45. So I gotta hurry up. Especially if I'm gonna prep all this food and then go over there. Yeah, this is my brand, y'all. This is what I like. Let's get this one. This one. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Let's head to the check. Go to Damon School and have lunch, and yes, I'm late because I decided to just throw something together really quick. So that's where I'm headed. I'm actually almost here. Even though I think I'm late. I'm like 10 minutes behind. Almost 10 minutes behind. Okay, visitors parking. We're here, and of course I'm late, so let me get on out here. All right, I'll be back. We're here at Damon School having lunch. He's eating pizza, and I just quick made a quick salad.
Let's try it. Ready? Talk at a normal tone.
I decided to come up here, and I just made a quick salad because, like I said, I decided at the last minute to come up here. I couldn't even find you. You're excited. Anything else you want to say?
No. Well, actually, I wish you a good Thanksgiving, and I hope you have the best.
Just about today. Well, you're excited that I'm here.
Yep.
So have you been having a good day so far?
Yeah.
What did you do so far today?
So far, I worked on writing. I read a book. My favorite book is G.I. Dogs.
You like that?
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Blue, red.
Let me show y'all his lunch. I don't know how to flip the screen. Take a picture. I think that's what it did. I don't know. So we're gonna eat this lunch, and then I guess I'll come back in a little bit. I'll just come back in a little.
Everything on the table to finish, okay? So the next parents have 3 tables, right?
Yeah, time is probably winding down. Where's the? Oh, okay. Yeah, you got about 10 more minutes, I guess. What time do y'all normally leave? 10 after? Oh wow, only 5 minutes left. Okay, well I'll come back after I leave here and I get back into the car. So I'll come back. I'm supposed to be looking over here, but y'all know I don't know how to use this phone yet. So okay, I'm gonna entertain Damon for a little while. You didn't think I was gonna come, did you?
Well, I said to my friends, I think my mom's gonna come.
Really?
Yep.
I almost changed my mind because I was getting dinner ready. We're gonna eat some Parmesan chicken tonight.
Parmesan chicken. I like Parmesan.
With some potatoes and broccoli.
Okay, I like broccoli.
Okay, so I'll be back in a little bit. Say bye, Diamond.
Bye.
Yeah. I got my Parmesan chicken. It's gonna marinate until I get home from work. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do these potatoes real quick. But yeah, you want to use something to keep you from going all the way through the potato. Alright, y'all, I'm back home. I just got home actually, and Damon started the potatoes. Yay. As y'all see. Good job, Damon. They've been in there for what, 30 minutes or so?
Yeah.
About 30 minutes. We get ready to put them back in. We just put a little extra butter on them. Yeah, we're gonna just use this to kind of, cause it's butter down in the pan. So yeah, we're gonna do that because we want the skin to be nice and crispy, and all this good butter that's on the inside of it. Yeah, we gotta use all that. We gotta use all that good old butter that's in that pan. Now this is an example. Everything came out good, but when you put your chicken under the broiler, make sure you watch it, or you're gonna get that. It's still good, it's just a little dark. Then these potatoes, they're still yummy and crispy, but as you see, they're a little dark. That's because I left the broiler on, but it don't matter. It all go down the same way, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna eat, and we gonna eat good. And we might eat a little bit, the rest of this little pie, this peach cobbler pie for dessert. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.